Hi, if you're a hero and a heartbreaker who wants a taste of honey, you're gonna love today's episode. It's loud. It's June, which means it's Pride Month, and that has nothing to do with the fact that I just read Mariah Carey's memoir, and now I just desperately want her iconic rainbow tank top. But in this era, you cannot appropriate rainbow culture without a person of queer nearby. And that's why I've brought on a very special guest today.
Hi, my name's Jonathan Cerda-Rowell. I'm gay and I don't know her.
So today I've recruited Jonathan to help me make the iconic rainbow tank tops from the iconic album Rainbow. What does this tank top mean to you?
Almost nothing, but I like that she's shady and I like that she pretends she doesn't know who people are, and I'm someone who relates to that.
So I hope you guys are brave enough to follow us on this journey. Waiting for cars. Oh, keep looking. It's really loud, so let's make these freaking tanks. Step 1, grab your spray paint.
Desert gray,
Demon red,
colonial blue, Lysol gold,
and UTI. Step 2, rip apart a box. I broke my scissors. Call a man.
See, even gays can rip things. Grab a white tank top, or begin building a cardboard boyfriend.
Now you might think that a rainbow is just easy to spray paint onto a tank top, but it's not, because the Mariah Carey Rainbow is complicated and layered. What is the Mariah Carey Rainbow?
Lavender red, yellow green, blue.
The Mariah Carey Rainbow does not include the color orange.
No. Oh no, my pink socks. This is what happens when you bring gays into nature.
Before we start, we want to make sure we know what these colors are gonna look like. So we're gonna spray test the rainbow on this. And Mariah Carey's rainbow is very challenging because there's different colors, it's in a different order, and there's different thicknesses of lines. So we need to make sure that we have the perfect rainbow prepared. Now is the part where I start telling facts about Mariah Carey. She wrote the song Honey, inspired by Derek Jeter. So I'd like to thank DJ for that iconic bop. Cute. This is the color that I was the most worried about. They didn't have a wide selection of greens, but I think that this is a really good. Hi, hun. How are you? You wanna watch? Do you know Mariah Carey? This is Cameron. He came by to watch. I'm encouraging the youth of America to start tagging. Tell the people though what you told us about Mariah Carey.
Oh, she lived right by my granny's job.
She lived right by his grandma. He met her. You met her before?
Yeah.
That's crazy. You're scared.
Yeah, I'm very scared. I'm making orange.
OMG, you're out of here. Okay, the next one's very thin green.
I don't know if I could do anything thin right now. I'm not the stereotypical in real life. I'm much more nuanced, you know, just hamming it up for the camera. You guys just don't understand what it's like to be a gay in Hollywood. It's, you know, it's so tough. You know, people come and they...
Do you think you need to hit the lavender one more time?
Wow, a question, but actually a demand. Did you see how she did that? She questioned me, and yet I know that it's a demand. Corporate business.
I'm gonna give my all to this, and I'm not gonna be a crybaby about it. This lavender paint will always be my baby. Painting this is gonna give me a lot of emotions. And I hope a butterfly doesn't come. Alrighty guys, I'm scared. Cameron, can you pray for me right now? Okay, that was the one. That was great. I just want to say Mariah Carey invented genre blending, such as having, you know, a pop and a hip hop song together. The Glitter album sold 4 million copies, and they called it a flop. Flop drop. A flop drop, Cameron says. Another fact about Glitter, it came out in September 2001. How is it supposed to succeed, okay? Cameron, did you even pray for me?
About that, nope.
Cameron, you might have to cover your ears for this fact. When she was 12 years old, her sister put her in the car with a pimp.
Katie is fully drunk right now.
It's the fumes, babe. Cameron, who's your favorite musical artist? Female.
Cardi
This is
B.
an inclusive channel.
Cardi B, Megan Thee Stallion.
Megan Thee Stallion, cool.
And that's really it.
All right, take it.
Don't we look like two accepting straight parents of their gay kid?
Yes.
Or their lesbian kid or their trans kid? And we're like at first time at Pride.
Yeah. I'm Deb. This is John.
I'm John, but people call me Coral.
All right, well, I know they look cute right now, but I think you guys are ready for your final reveal. Hi guys. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this very special, prideful episode of Laugh Cry DIY.
Like and subscribe. Be sure to press the bell so you're notified of new videos.
I hope that one sweet day we can all craft together in real life. But until then,
We will be looking forward to the emancipation of Mimi.
and they can't take that away.
And just remember guys, that Pride is more than just, celebrating your favorite diva and, wearing a rainbow. It's also about, actively fighting against the corporatization of... I'm Jonathan Cerda-Rowell, and Katie French and I just met 5 minutes ago. And I am Malala.